How to fix Discord no route RTC connecting problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your voice channels connecting properly again. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Discord and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Discord and try connecting to a voice channel again. From here, if the issue is still there, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. At this stage, if switching connections didn't help, open your Android settings again. Scroll down and tap on Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi and turn it off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Reconnect to your network and reopen Discord. Finally, if nothing has worked, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Discord and try again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Discord no route RTC connecting problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.